Joe from TRP Indoors here. You read that right. Winter's coming, and Heelbutt and I just wanted to take a minute and say hi.
Hey, Darren.
Seriously though, Mobile, Alabama is about to get snow. That's crazy. It never happened.
Shit, I ain't seen that in about a month of Sundays, son. Tip number 1, stay away from yellow snow cone.
Good one.
Hey, now tip number 2, if you don't have an ice scraper, use an old ID. Or
Also a good tip.
tip number 3 is easy. Just lift your wipers up before it snows so your wipers don't get frozen to the windshield. You know what I'm saying? Snow shoveling is hard work. Every year, elderly people and vaccine victims die from having a heart attack while shoveling snow.
Okay, I don't know if that's completely true.
In America, snow-involved accidental deaths kill more people than cheeseburgers or heroin. It's a fact.
Yeah, that's definitely not true.
And damn it, be careful of the yellow snow cones because they're turning the frogs gay.
Alright, we're done with him. He's all set. Peace.